Gathering content. Toon Animate allows you to draw directly in the software and import external content. You can import QuickTime videos, pictures, multi-layered PSD files, as well as AI, SWF, and PDF files. Setting up the living room. For some of your projects, you will probably want to paint your backgrounds in a bitmap editing software such as Adobe Photoshop. With Animate, you can import multi-layered PSD backgrounds and keep the layers separated. To start building the scene, we will import a living room background. This background has 3 layers: a wall, a television, and a chair. We will import the file so that each one of these PSD layers will be inserted in a separate timeline layer. To do this, you must group your layers in Adobe Photoshop. To group your layers in Photoshop, add a group and drag your layer on it. Each PSD layer you want on a separated timeline layer must be in a different group. If you name your groups, their name will be preserved once you import the file in Animate. To import your multi-layered PSD file in Animate, select Files, Import, Images. In the Import Drawings dialog box, browse for the PSD file to import. In the Layer section, enable the Create Layer and the Create Single Layer named options. Disable the Vectorize the Important Items option. Click on the OK button. In the Image to Load field of the Multi-Layer Image Import Settings dialog box, select the All Layers Image option. Select the transparency type if applicable. Press the OK button. Your background should now appear in the timeline view, and the new layers should be named as your PSD groups. The only thing left to do is to extend their exposure. To extend the drawing's exposure, in the timeline view, select the last cell of all the layers simultaneously and press F5 to extend their exposure.